Russian. How are ya? Nice. Good resolution, man. I'm so happy. Hey, hey. Alrighty. I invite a couple of my friends. I hope they will join us soon. Um, Let me just introduce you like a couple of moments about Big Green Egg. So I have even that plastic cutter board, which is I love it now. Big Green Egg, but it was on discount. It was good deal. So here's the plan. It may be looking not very attractive right now, but believe me, it will be super nice later. So I have Big Green Egg for 3 years, will be this autumn, so yeah, something like that. So I learned really cooking after aha. Hey, what's up, craft beer pours, my man? How are ya? Hey, a spy and APA. Right, I try to read your comment, guys, definitely, but let me just explain it first. So this is beer, and this is the beer can, and in about a year I kind of figure out how to work with that stuff. Okay, so beer is first you need to always try beer. Let's put this stuff a little bit here. All right, is that good? Yeah, should be good. First you need to definitely try your beer, and maybe I'll use different type beer, I don't know, we'll see. So it will be very nice. So it's Moreline, local Cincinnati brewery. Okay, it's very nice, I really like it. Describe it last year, maybe 2 years ago, when our FC Cincinnati, yeah, 2 years ago, FC Cincinnati plays a team from England, some Palace, something. Very nice game, very good beer, so cheers. Very nice. See, it's not sure it's really filtered, but it's absolutely crystal clear. I'm learning about APA's beer, so bear with me. Yeah, I might use it a little bit for maybe pour some, I don't know, we'll see. So first it's kind of, oh, cool. First I'm getting just the seasoning with the stuff, whatever you like, guys. I really like that Montreal steak. This is my personal mix, my own mix of very different type of seasoning. Mostly it's like chicken barbecue stuff, so but just whatever left over I add it and it's good. That's kind of, I think, classic Tajin. It's kind of has some whatever it is, it's kind of has some like a lemon in it. That's good stuff. And paprika, whatever. Cheers. Aha, that's luck, my man. How are ya? Hey, cool. Oh wow, Trish, what's up, guys? We have some company here. Nice. Cheers, guys. It's okay for crazy Russian drinking at almost like 1 p.m. But it's Sunday, so cool. I'm not sure if I'm going to broadcast the whole thing. Maybe we'll see. So that's how it's working. just showing to you. Beer is good. Beer can is loading here. This is Big Green Egg product, that holder, and I found this one the best. Okay, and the chicken just going straight here. Okay, so very easy. No complaints. You'll definitely use another beer. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now to prepare with all those seasoning stuff, you can do it maybe in advance for like few hours, maybe overnight. I don't like when it's overnight, it's too much. So I'm starting fire around 6-ish. I think I planned the other stream about that time, but first we just need a prepared chicken. Depends on the manufacturer. This is about $10. Pretty good. I like the big ones, so because it's a lot of you're spending a lot of time to prepare Big Green Egg, you know, and one-time shot. And of course everybody eat. Family, we have big family, 3 kids, almost like big kids. Not teenagers, so they eating a lot, so that's what I'm saying. So sometimes you will see some organs from different manufacturers, different whatever meat factories. You might clean it and wash it. Let's wash it real quick, actually, like that. 1 second. It's good. Alrighty. Beer is good too. Oh wow. Ah, chicken. Test like chicken. Okay, cool. What's gonna make? But Crazy Russian has me thinking. Was gonna make coffee, I guess, right? Cool. Coffee is good. Tesla saying April hasn't really been a friendly month. Yeah, for outdoor, I don't really care about. The only one thing, the problem with equipment means I'm broadcasting from the phone. If you guys looking for advice or something, I'm kind of videographer, my full-time job, so I can give you advice on this. But this is just at 720 using my phone. So, but when I'm going to do it outside, cheers, guys. I'll use computer and computer camera from laptop and good camera actually with capturing device, so you can see all process. Very cool. Alrighty. Yeah, in April I agree. So that for that reason, you know, if it's rain, well, I can still broadcast. Just put everything under umbrella, you know, and zoom it close. So no problem at all. Yeah, beer is good, man. Cheers. Hoo-ha. So what we're going to do, I need more paper towel. Good. So after I prepare chicken, throw it in that bowl, all right, and put some saran wrap here, and that's it. Okay, let's get it, let's go. Usually I'm pouring this stuff inside, so it's kind of, I don't know, not mixing with smell of the beer going like inside out. through, so kind of. So again, I don't have any preference. Whatever spices you like, guys, use it. It's not like super recipe, you know. The only one stuff, what's important, I'm showing you how to kind of load it and prepare that thing. That's it. The rest will be different. Paprika, whatever, is going on top. Cheers. That's good. Oh wow. Alrighty. Put more stuff inside and we should be doing very good. Maybe a little bit, yeah, that stuff, definitely a little bit more. Cool. When I put that thing on that stand for the beer can, right? I will, will be final touch. Final touch. After this, I'll take some olive oil. I can put olive oil right now inside, but that's not necessary. It sticks very nice. Okay, but now I'm going to use olive oil so the stuff will be sticking very well. Hold on. Just whatever oil foil you guys, no preference. This is maybe just a little bit more pricey, more expensive stuff, but I just will like good stuff. Here we go. Yeah, don't need to put a lot, just a little bit. Here we go. Good deal, man. Turn around. Yeah, I think I'm going to show you how it will be like finalizing here, putting, then take some break maybe, and or maybe we'll see, because I need to move entire my equipment, you know, over to the outside on the deck where is Big Green Egg. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Yes, absolutely. Now, I'm not using a lot of this stuff. That's kind of strong. Don't know really ingredients. It's again more like a chicken. It's like more maybe like classic barbecue stuff. Okay, but this is more neutral with just minimum basic, probably minced grill, and the ingredients inside, actually outside. Yeah, it's just salt and pepper stuff mostly. Okay, see, that's how you're doing. You're not wasted a lot because it sticks immediately. And then we'll do paprika on top. Ooh, that should be good. Yeah, under here. Okay. Good stuff. Big Green Egg, yes. The effect of the Big Green Egg is unbelievable. So I didn't even realize. Means I saw tons of videos, and because it's kind of expensive. Yeah, means one-time deal. I don't think so. The company I bought, means the store I bought, they have any what's the name? Yeah, you have to pay it off like right away. So of course I put it on a credit card, so it was probably $1,400, something like this. So see, all right, now just wait a little bit, put just few touch up with the paprika here, just a little bit, not much, because we covered more later. Good, 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 good. So the color will be, oh, so good, man. Okay, same thing, turn around, bingo. It's already stick, no worries. Alex, what's going on, Cashlot? Cheers, bro. I hope you speak English. Whenever you email me stuff, I need more time to understand. And if you make some video and explain everything, that will be even better. Man, good stuff. Okay, hold on. Putting this first. Oh, good, 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 good. You can put it in a special call in Russian, рассол, like some spices and a salt in the water. Brine, I think it's brine, something like this. But the taste will be different. It can be a little bit like rubber type, you know. It might change taste, and change taste also change kind of structure of the meat. So I prefer this way. See, it's already looking much better, but it will be more paprika on top later. Yeah, here I go. Okay. All right. Cool. Paper towel. Now, cheers. Man, that's good beer. Good, 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 good. Good deal. Okay. So. I'm going to turn it upside down and put more in that bowl and put more just paprika on top. Make it nice. Cool. Okay. So yeah, 2, 3, 4 hours. Yeah. What time? Yeah, it's 1. Yeah, like 4 hours should be plenty of time to make it nice, looking good. Okay. USA. Yeah, I'm not sure how we're going to proceed with. I did a couple of videos, but I record them. I didn't do any broadcasts. So here we go. Here you go. My spices here. Cool. Okay. Now time for. I'll just wash my hands real quick. I think I know how we're going to accomplish. So because I have like nice tripod and very nice zoom cam with a good zoom, I'll make, there's like small table next to, I think I can do it. Yeah, I think so. So because I will use software for broadcast, so I can switch cameras around. That should be good. Yeah, so I'll burn fire in for make the fire in the big green egg, and I need to burn that thing like 20 minutes at least. Yeah, 20 to 30 minutes, and at that time that will be broadcast. At that time I start the fire, so it start going on, something going on with this, and then we'll put chicken on beer can, so you'll see details. Cool. Okay, cheers. Mm-hmm. Making me hungry. Sorry, my man. That's AK Crazy Russian style. Jad Diva, what's going on? Hello, hello. All right. So that's it. We're going to cover this. I'll prepare big green egg, means put there is nothing very important, you know. It just like tons of video how guys like loading that thing, you know. It's not big deal. Yeah. And we'll see. So I'll see you guys soon. We're almost done. That thing is going to the refrigerator right now. Okay, like that. So it's not necessary to cover it. Just I don't like some smell going inside the refrigerator that makes me completely hungry, you know, because it starts to smell like release juice for in about half an hour, and smell will be all those small ingredients like garlic and some other spices, onions, dry in this thing, and in paprika, and that thing, and this thing will start making some. It's still not like super tight here, you know, but oh man, by itself, so good. All right, this looks good. Thank you so much. It will be even better on a big green egg, guys, guaranteed. Okay, it's a little bit reflection. I'll show you this like that. Close. How about that? Oh, yes. So we have some family event at 3 p.m. Eastern Daytime, and I think it will be for like 2 hours, something, 3 hours. Then I'll come back, start the fire. I just need to figure out how I'm going to set up my broadcast, so you can see my face also, and big green egg, but it will be like through the better equipment. But the phone is fine. It just Google Pixel 2 broadcasting at 720. I think it's still 720. Yeah, so happy with the phone on local wireless network at home. So we have fiber optic. Maybe that helps a lot. All right, guys. Cheers. Okay, USA. I'll see you soon. Thanks for coming. Sorry if I make you hungry. Go get some food. Definitely. And oh, okay. Then when I finish with the broadcast, okay, uh, it takes probably 4 hours, 4 hours, something like this. Yes, to make it through, cook it with the potatoes around that thing. I'll show you, and then I'll just take the video at the end. Cool? Alrighty. Have a good one, guys. See you later. Bye.